Hi guys, what's going on? Welcome back. Today we're going to be talking about Magzo door draft stopper. This is what it looks like. This is what it comes with. So if you guys would like some more information on the Magzo door draft stopper, please be sure to check my video description for that. Okay, so I'm just going to show you guys why I need this. So I kept getting a draft. We have like this extra room. It's going to eventually be like a kid's playroom, but the garage is next to it. So there's actually no heat in here, but we have a space heater when my son is playing in here. So we could put the space heater in, but we keep getting a draft from down here. So as you could see, that door kind of has like a little hole in it to the left, and the draft just comes in even when the space heater is on. That's hooked up. It works nicely, but you know, we need something to take the draft out. And not just that, but now it's gotten a little better because it's much colder, but in the fall we were having a cricket issue where the crickets were actually coming in through that garage and into the room. And I'm like, I don't like crickets. I can't have crickets, you know, in my son's playroom or even in the laundry room. I'm like, I just don't even feel comfortable going in there. I'm like scared of them. So anyway, I wanted to get something that would, you know, fix that issue. So this is the door draft stopper. Ordered it right online, inexpensive. It's multifunction, so it's a door draft stopper, a good home helper for reducing sound, keeping bugs off, blocking wind and light, etc. So that's another thing that happens in the garage. We actually have to get the door fixed. So when it's very windy, it kind of like blows open and it's like a little bit noisy. Not crazy noisy, but it's a little annoying. So you have to fix that. And then like, you know, the wind blows in and like that door will kind of like open and close. So we have to get something to fix it. So it's a unique design filled with polyester wadding, especially add glass beads to make it heavier if you want. Fully padded door draft guard effectively stops drafts under the standard door. It's excellently tailored, simple but elegant design, designed with 2 hanging loops. You can hang it on the door handle, closet hook, etc. And it's easy installation, totally tool free, which is great for me because I'm not the greatest with putting things together. So the bottom here, I know it's a little hard to see because of the coloring. It says it's washable, so you can definitely save money. Like instead of having to replace that door because there's a hole, I could just put this and it'll fix the issue. And then it is convenient and it's durable, so it'll last a while. So features: multifunction. Door draft stopper can be adjusted to fit different door gap. A good home helper for reducing sound, keeping bugs off, blocking wind, light, etc. Like we said, it comes with that polyester wadding, and then the installation here. So here's the tape that it comes with. Comes with a good amount. Installation: choose a suitable position to apply the hook tape according to the door gap size. Attach 2 hook gaps in parallel to the door bottom and extend it to the side of the door, and it will stick more firmly. Apply the door draft stopper to the hook tape and easily hang the door draft stopper when not in use. So it does have like those hooks at the end that you guys could see. And honestly, I mean, I guess, oh no, it has the beads in it. Okay, because it is pretty heavy on its own. And then this is the other hook on the other side. So nice and easy to put together. Those are the features there. And then this is what it looks like. So nice and easy to put together. So, I mean, I could technically put it on this door too because there's like a little bit of a draft that comes in. So I could get a second one and just put it there. And that'll stop it. So I would just run the tape from here to here. Put the hook handle there and here and attach it nicely. And it kind of, you know, the color kind of matches. It's like a little bit of like an off-white color. You can order different colors though. But I like this one, especially because, you know, my door is white. So I want something that is going to match a little bit better. So good for keeping winds out, crickets out, nice and easy installation. Comes with the tape and what you would need. So I thank you guys so much for taking the time to watch this video. I hope you guys found it useful. If you did, please feel free to leave a comment and let me know. Thanks guys, and have a great day.